All right, we lost the stream, but we're back. Okay, let's try that again. All right, are we getting people back? Sorry about that. Had a day. I think I've got some sort of, I'm not a computer expert, but I've got, I think, some sort of driver issue in my computer. I don't really know a lot about what that means, but my mouse and wireless keyboard both freeze up every now and then, and I lose total control of the computer. I've tried a different mouse and a different um, keyboard and had the same result, so I'm thinking I need to just take it and get looked at. But it is annoying for sure because that's happened like twice today. Midstream, and next thing you know, the thing goes down. Yeah, if anybody knows a computer expert, let me know because I think I got some sort of hardware issue going on over here. But fingers crossed. Let's have some good luck here and not have that happen again. But yeah, I guess I kind of what I was talking about there, is just a decreased severe weather threat, at least from the significant standpoint, getting a little bit better. Not a whole lot to talk about, honestly, at the moment. There's this tornado watch out here. Got one lone severe thunderstorm warning, and that is over southern Illinois. But other than that, it is very quiet. I'll pull up the regional radar here and get a better perspective on what's going on. Again, these showers and thunderstorms moving through right now are helping us out a lot. I don't think they'll completely eliminate the severe weather threat, but again, they're going to take that risk down a notch, maybe a couple notches. And actually, let me pull out the surface map on here too, so I can show you what's going on there. Okay. So the low pressure, again, the setup today has so many ingredients going in favor of significant severe weather, tornado outbreak, all of the above. But severe weather is also very sensitive. The environment is very sensitive and fragile, like me. But no. So if one or two things doesn't go correctly, the whole thing can kind of get turned upside down. from what was possibly or what was expected. So, like for instance, we have a very strong area of low pressure to the north. It's racing northeast. That puts us here in the warm sector. The warm sector is south of the warm front and east of the cold front. So this whole area is in what is called the warm sector, which is a very favorable spot to be in if you want severe weather. But inside that warm sector, you can have showers and thunderstorms that develop that contaminate the atmosphere. So if we didn't have any of this going on right now, and we had, more partly cloudy skies or sunny skies, we would be in big trouble. We would be getting rapidly unstable. We would be seeing a lot of tornadoes, a regional outbreak for sure. So far, thanks to the showers and thunderstorms that have been moving through this morning and this afternoon, that's kind of put a lid on how bad this can get. Could it still get bad? Absolutely. All it takes is one storm. We have this is kind of where we're watching now, this area here, out to the west to see what fills in ahead of that cold front, which will be progressing this way over the course of the afternoon and into the evening. How bad it gets, I can't guarantee you either way on that, but I will say that it definitely looks like it's trended in a more positive, better direction when it comes to our severe weather threat. Still watching it, of course, though. What does they say? You don't talk about the game till it's over, right? But in this field, you kind of got to talk about the game. So, yeah, here's what we got. This is about all the action. This is the only warning we've got right now, which is very unusual for a level 4 out of 5 risk day, especially by this point in the afternoon, and especially with this setup, we should have a lot more warnings going on. But like so this whole area, that has light showers, thunderstorms, garden variety, non-severe. This is the time, if you remember earlier, I was saying between 12 and 5 p.m. was when we could see some supercells. And that just hasn't happened because of the reasons I mentioned. The atmosphere is just far too stable for that. So that's kind of keeping everything in check right now. We have some clearing, as I mentioned out here, that's going to slide in, but it's not a lot. What it would take for us to get back up to that level 4 out of 5 risk, I think, would be incredibly rapid destabilization, and I just don't think that that's possible. So I think that level 4 out of 5 risk is not going to verify. That was a decent forecast based on available information from the Storm Prediction Center, but I do not see that verifying. I think this is looking like more of a level 2 to level 3 out of 5 risk. And, if things don't pick up soon, the level 3 out of 5 might even be a little too high too. But this is looking like, like I said, it's a much less significant setup based on what I'm seeing here. Again, absolutely do not take that as is the severe weather threat is over. Do not take that as in we should let our guard down. You guys know how it goes around here. Mother Nature kind of does what she wants to do. These thunderstorms kind of have a mind of their own, it seems, at times, and can develop and strengthen with little to no warning. So until this cold front, until that cold, I drew that kind of crazy. Until this cold front clears the area, we are not in the clear from severe weather. Everybody needs to still stay on guard for the potential for severe weather. All I'm saying is that the magnitude and the coverage of the severe weather is going to be less than originally expected. That's good news. Sharonville area has sun and clear skies at noon. It's raining now, though. Thank you for the report, Jessica. Yes, I am in Silverton. We are the same. It is actually cooling down the temperatures even more. So, like, this is honestly this right here. Actually, I'll kind of broaden that out. This little area that's been kind of coming through this afternoon. That has been our saving grace from what was looking like a very big severe weather day. That should this activity's kind of put a lid on everything, and that's good news. Let's see what the temperatures. I don't know if the temperatures are updated yet at this point to reflect that they've cooled off since we've gotten this rain moving through now. Let's see when the last update there was. 152. Okay, that's pretty recent. But yeah, like the models. So here's the current temperatures right now. It's 63 at Lunken, 61 at what is that? That's in northeastern Hamilton County. I'm not sure what station that is. It's CVG. It is 61 degrees right now. Models had us in the lower to maybe even lower middle-ish 70s right now. Obviously, way far away from that. So this is honestly really good news, guys. This is going to kind of get things under control here. Again, honestly, there's not a whole much. I mean, this is kind of, just how things go sometimes. It's really on a moderate level 4 to 5 day. I don't have much to talk about at this moment than what I already have. This is the only warning we have anywhere in the region right now, and is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Southern Illinois. So I guess I can probably, does anybody have questions? I know it looks like there's only a couple people left in here. I am here for you guys, though. Whatever you need, let me know. If you have any questions or anything. Man, it is coming down again out there. You probably can't hear that over the microphone, but it is coming down. Because I guess that makes sense. I am right here. So that is makes sense why I'm hearing it raining outside pretty significantly right now. Again, this is just kind of keeping a lid on things. But guys, I mean, I think that's really all I have for you. My job does not end until this front clears the area and we can give the all clear. So that won't be for probably several more hours. So I'm going to probably go ahead and drop the stream for now. But my buttocks will be glued to this chair until we can give the all clear and send you guys off on a good note for tonight. Okay, so thank you guys all. I think there's only a couple people in here, but I appreciate all 2 or 3 of you very much for sticking around with me for this. What was in a good way a pretty uneventful update. All right, again, thank you very much for following. Refresh the page. I'll be on there until, like I said, till the all clear can be given later. For now, I'm Cincinnati Weather Center forecaster Trevor Cole. Going to sign off here for now, and I'll have further updates as needed. All right, guys, have a good one.